She's a beaut. She looks like any professional made bumper you would think of.
Very nice. Hopefully everything lines up. I did a quick semi-test bit yesterday. I had to open up a couple of holes, you know, after you weld in a bunch of tubes.
Where's all those holes there?
That was a prefab
Okay.
winch plate kit that's supposed to bolt into, you know, everything, but it's Harbor Freight.
Okay.
High grade Chinesium, but I needed something right now, and the fancy one that I got was 8 inches or 7 or 8 inches too narrow.
Yeah.
So I needed something that would fit in there, so that one I just had to cut it down a little bit. And whatever. If I bend that, then I'll cut the center out of it and weld that one in.
Yeah. Everything else though is pure Sean.
It's pretty solid. Yeah, everything else is hand built, every bit and piece. I mean, obviously I didn't build the tubing, but you know, all the neat little end caps and tabby tabs, and these took a week and a half just to build the damn frame horns. Those are all hand cut out of 1/8 inch plate. I had
Looks
to cut on a
amazing.
bandsaw. I probably spent 20 hours just cutting crap out for this.
I was gonna say, where's the old one? But there's the old one right there. The anchor, boat anchor.
Jesus, it's crazy how much heavier it is than this thing. This thing, I can pick the whole thing up. That thing. I'll go on this side, use. Yes. Straight up. Up more. Oh, it's not going up anymore. It's not going up anymore. Oh, wait.
There you go.
There we go. Come on, dude, sometime today. I'm just trying.
It's not going in. Oh, wait. Is that in? It's not going in properly.
Okay, give me a bolt.
Hold on.
This one's not going in properly.
It's crooked. Let me see. I ain't got it lined up right. Yeah, it's not lined up right.
It needs to be moved over a little bit this way. It needs to be moved over to Eric's side a little bit.
Here, Sean's coming. Watch out, Jay.
There we go.
Those spots I missed. Kind of what I was figuring.
What's spots?
Paint? Oh yeah, see it.
Across the front, because I had it hanging upside down. I knew I was going to miss those spots. All right, just hold it.
Just do a quick little spray, just like.
Nice. So pretty.
Yeah, now see. What's going on with that bolt hole? I said, I don't know what is going on with that bolt hole. I must have fucked it up with something.
You got any taps that are that size?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to run a chaser through it or something. Let's see, what is that? A 12 or 13? I think that's a 13.
Thread chaser.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's 13.
Okay.
That is ridiculous.
Too old for this.
down there with it either.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Oh, you gotta put bolts behind it?
Yeah. That's what I said. I should have note sorted it.
You need someone to help you hold it?
Difficult. I just haven't done that.
Lose another one?
No, I think I got lucky and that one just fell on. That one not so much. Yeah, buddy. Yay!
Look at
Finally.
that.
Oh, that's pretty close. Scuffed it. Scuffed it. Ooh, scuffed it.
Oh, it's gonna get scuffed.
Yeah, I was a little off on this cut over here, but whatever. Can't see both sides at the same time anyway.
Not the boy. Let's see out here. Let's see how off you are. Oh my God, what a shoddy piece of shit.
I know. It's garbage. Throw it away. Like a glove.
Mm-hmm.
And there he goes again.
There we go.
It's gonna require some creative routing. That is all quite snug. Okay. I'll have to go right through there, and then I'll have to put that on first.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Just like the good old days. I'm so excited.
Yep. There you go. Go ahead.
Let's see. Look at that. Fills right in the tabs. That just goes back through there.
Yep, that's what it'll look like.